You're welcome to Ecostaffing Analytics Consulting Limited. Once again, you're welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's training, we'll be looking at the summarize function of this analysis. In our last week video, we looked at the summarize column function. Now, in today's training, we'll be looking at the summarize function of this analysis. We're going to use the same table. Now, this is a product table. In our product table, we have the following columns in our product table, and we have various products, and we have the categories for each of these products. Also, in this particular data set, I have the sales table. Now you can see the sales table. In the sales table, I have the sales amount for each product, for each order quantity. And also in the sales table, I have the product standard cost. Okay, I have the product standard cost. And also when you look at the product table of those data sets, I have the category of the goods, I have the color of the goods, I have the category, I have the color, and I have the product key. Now you want to use the summarize function of this analysis. You click on new table. Then when you click on new table and you type the summarize, okay, I'll just make that summarize product because I'm dealing with a product table. I'll put it back there. Now I type the summarize function. Now this is the summarize function I want to use. Now the first argument is the table. Which table do I want to summarize? I want to summarize the product table. I clicked on that. You select that's selected. Now how do you want to group each of this table? Now I want to group it by product category. Now I want to start with no, I don't want to use the product key, but rather I want the product category, and then I also want to group by the color of each category. Now that's the group name. I can group up to group by column name 1, go up to column name 3, and then you can now continue with names of the column. Now I need an expression here. An expression could be an expression should be something that will give you a scalar value. So now in this particular case, I'm summarizing a table. So my expression should result into a table. But also is a scalar value that results into a table. So my expression should give me a scalar value. So in this particular case, I want to do the let's say standard cost, some standard cost. Okay, let's do it this way. Some standard cost. Okay, I want to do the sum of the standard cost. Sum of the standard cost. Now that was I make use of the sum function, and that standard cost is in product in the sales table. Now I pick that from the sales table, comma, I also need the sum for sales. Okay. Now what I'm going to do now is this. Sum for sales. Now I need for sales amount. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now I hit the enter button. Summarize product is already used. Okay, it's telling me that this is already used. Okay, let me put _1 and hit the enter button. When I hit the enter button, you can see probably summarizing each category of the product. We have the component, accessory, buys, clothing, and it's giving me the color for each of these categories of products, the color for each of them, and it's giving me the standard cost. Now you can see that for components, one is black, You can see for component 1 is red. You can see the standard cost. You can see the sum for sales. Okay, in this particular, I can still decide to add something like this. Sum, sum underscore okay, this is what I wanted to do. This is something. Okay, yes. Okay, now we've gotten this. To summarize this particular column, you can see each is giving me the aggregate for each. Also, what I wanted to do, I wanted to try, okay, let me copy this. Let me go to new table. Okay, let me make this to be 2. And let me cut this. And I want to have an expression. What I was trying to do the other time is this. Let's put a comma here. Now you can see we have summarized table. This is a table name, which is product. Group by column name 1 and what group by product category, column 2, group by column name 2, product column, that's the second one. Then the third is the name. This is the name, sum of standard cost. Then the expression is the sum of the sales product standard cost. In other words, the product standard cost for each category, for each color and category. Then we have that is for name 1, expression 1. We have name 2, expression 2. We have name 3, expression 3, and so on and so forth. So let me assume I want to give another name now. Let's assume I want to give another name. Let's say profits. That's my third name, name 3. And the expression I want to use all this as my expression. After the profit, there is a comma. You can see comma after the name. Okay, now I don't want all this to be in between. I just want the profit. Okay, now I put the bracket close and enter. So you can see Power BI giving me the profit for that, for profit for each component and each color. For component that is black, you can see the profit for accessory black, you can see the profit white black, you can see the profit clothing black, you can see the profit, and so on and so forth. Thank you for watching our video. Watch out for our next video.